Have you ever felt like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them happen? You know what you want, you can see it clearly in your mind, but when it's time to act, you feel stuck. You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow keeps moving. You want to write a book, get in shape, learn a new skill, build something meaningful, yet somehow the days pass and nothing changes. Instead, you scroll on your phone, you watch TV, you distract yourself, and eventually you start asking a dangerous question. What's wrong with me? Here's the truth. There is nothing wrong with you. You're not lazy forever. You're not broken. You're overwhelmed. When a goal feels too big, your brain reacts in a very predictable way. It looks for relief. It looks for comfort. It looks for something easier. That's not weakness, that's biology. Your brain is designed to protect you from pain and effort. So when a task feels overwhelming, it quietly pushes you away from it, not because you don't care, but because it feels like too much. And this is where most people get stuck. They confuse overwhelm with laziness, but those are not the same thing. Laziness is not wanting to act. Overwhelm is wanting to act but feeling frozen. And if that's you, this video is meant to help. Let's talk about why this happens. Big goals sound inspiring at first, but big goals also carry pressure. When you say, I want to write a book, your brain doesn't think about one sentence. It thinks about hundreds of pages, months of effort, the possibility of failure, and suddenly the goal feels heavy. So your brain says, let's not do this right now. That's when comfort takes over. Scrolling feels easy. Watching TV feels safe. Doing nothing feels familiar. And over time, you start believing the lie that you're lazy. But you're not. You're just trying to climb a mountain in one jump. So let's fix that. Here are 3 simple ideas that can help you move again. Not fast, not perfectly, just forward. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks feel scary. Small tasks feel doable. So stop thinking about the final result. If you want to write a book, don't think about 200 pages. Write 1 sentence today. If you want to get in shape, don't think about running every day. Put on your shoes. If you want to learn something new, don't master it. Open it. Small actions lower resistance, and when resistance is low, starting becomes possible. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take one step, then another. Progress is built the same way. Small wins build confidence. Confidence builds momentum, and momentum changes everything. Here's an example. If you want to learn guitar, don't aim to play a full song today. Just practice 1 chord. Tomorrow, practice another. Weeks later, you'll be playing without realizing how you got there. That's how real change happens, not through intensity, through consistency. Step 2. Create easy routines. Willpower is unreliable. Some days you have it, some days you don't. Routines remove the need to decide. They make action automatic. If you want to exercise, put your shoes next to your bed. If you want to read, leave the book where you can see it. If you want to write, open the document before you go to sleep. Make starting easy. Think of routines like training wheels. They support you until the habit becomes natural. Ask yourself this: what is 1 small routine I can start today? Not 5, not 10, just 1. Maybe it's writing a short to-do list each morning. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water when you wake up. Maybe it's spending 5 quiet minutes without your phone. Small routines create structure. Structure creates momentum, and momentum reduces overwhelm. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part of any task is starting. So make a deal with yourself. You'll work on the task for just 2 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no expectations. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Clean 1 corner. Want to study? Open the book.
2 minutes feels manageable, and once you start, continuing becomes easier. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push takes effort. After that, gravity helps you. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After your 2 minutes, do something small you enjoy. Listen to a song. Take a short break. Your brain learns through rewards. Teach it that starting feels good. Now, let's talk about something important. Everyone you admire started small. They didn't feel ready. They didn't feel confident. They doubted themselves. The difference is not talent. It's that they didn't stop. They kept showing up imperfectly. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to feel motivated. You just need to start. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it might be a small spark. Every small action you take adds fuel. Skip days and the fire fades. Add fuel regularly and it grows. Eventually, that spark becomes something powerful. So ask yourself this. What is one small thing you can do today? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And remember this. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Everyone fails. What matters is getting back up. Be patient with yourself, but don't stop moving. Let's keep this simple. If you're ambitious but feel lazy, here's what to do. Make tasks small. Create simple routines. Start with just 2 minutes. That's enough. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. Start where you are. Take one small step today. Your dreams are not asking for perfection. They're waiting for action.
If this video hit you exactly when you needed it, smash the like and share button, then subscribe. This isn't just a channel, it's a home for people who are done waiting and finally ready to grow. Let's level up together.